Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we practice some important bits regarding the unit 1 from the 6th class Telangana English content. The animals and the birds approached him to narrate their tales of woe. Identify the suitable synonym of the underlined word. Answer: sadness. How did the elephants enjoy from the lesson peace and harmony? Answer: watching the fish swimming in the pool. There was excitement in the air. Write the right form of the underlined word. Answer: excite. They unanimously decided to approach the sadhu. Pick out the correct antonym of the underlined word. Answer: divided. What does the earth wish to have from the poem I Want Peace? Answer: help the poor, peace, and grace. I say grace for all people. Identify the correct synonym of the underlined word. Answer: favor. What did the sadhu listen in the story Peace and Harmony? Answer: animals' tales of woe. The tiger and the bear exhibited dash. Identify the correct spelt word. Answer: gymnastics. Gymnastics. Who won the contest finally in the forest from the lesson Grand Contest in the Forest? Answer: squirrel. They saw the moon shining dash. Identify the correct spelling word. Answer: Brilliantly. Brilliantly. Why do you want to praise the Mynahs? Identify the antonym of the underlined word. Answer: criticize. What does the earth worry about? According to the poem, I Want Peace. Answer: the future of the people on her. Who did the peacocks admire? Answer: melodious songs of cuckoos. Pick out the word which is opposite to leisurely. Answer: busy. Who was playing with squirrels and the rabbits? According to the story, Peace and Harmony. Answer: elephant. What did the great one observe from the lesson Grand Contest in the Forest? Answer: little squirrel was quiet. According to the story Peace and Harmony, the animals, insects, and birds held an emergency meeting. Dash. Answer: to plead the sadhu to kill the jackal. What did the little squirrel present in the story Grand Contest in the Forest? Answer: dry branches filled with nuts and seeds. What was the jackal's wish according to the story Peace and Harmony? Answer: to disturb the peace and harmony among the animals. Where did all the creatures keep their gifts from the story Grand Contest in the Forest? Answer: at the great one's feet. How was the earth according to the poem I Want Peace? Answer: sorrowful. According to the lesson Grand Contest in the Forest, the beautiful trees and creatures started competing and fighting to dash. Answer: to win the contest, to get a prize in the contest, and to give their best to the great one. According to the poem I Want Peace, what does the earth dream about? Answer: past. Who doesn't have something beautiful or wonderful to offer on the great day from the lesson Grand Contest in the Forest? Answer: Little Grey Squirrel. What does the earth touch according to the poem I Want Peace? Answer: Feeling of the people. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.